wonderful lords and ladies of YouTubia. Welcome to another very short, but nonetheless action-packed and moist episode of Twisted Trails Riding Deep. Billy's here.
Hi.
So, we've had a new addition to our family. Meet Turtle Hitman 2, otherwise known as Mortimer. Short, it'll be called Morty. So this bike came from my buddy, Moto Philosopher, also known as Turtle Hitman on the YouTubes. And this bike has been well loved over the years. And it is a CRF450X 2005 model with a 2006 CRF450R engine in it. So that's interesting, right? Cool thing is how it is a 450X. It already has an 18-inch rear wheel and nice flat spot. I just noticed. But that's nice. So my intention is to fix her up. Actually, him. It's a boy. Fix him up and get racing again. Right, Billy? We love racing. Racing's fun. Billie Jean has gone with me to quite a few races. We will go over in detail what is necessary, what is needed as far as fixing on old Morty here. And I'll let you know. We're gonna do a lot of work. So it's already got a really cool FMF power bomb header with a Lex pipe, which is pretty sweet. So we're gonna see what all is needed, and that'll be quite the fun series, I think. A little bit of project bike. So it's gonna be fun. Get back to racing. Anyhow, that's all I got for today, and I look forward to going over more in depth what all is needed on Morty here. So thanks for tuning in, you guys and gals. Have a great day. This is a quick addendum. The main thing that's wrong right now is I'm missing the Kickstarter a little bit. So we're gonna get that replaced, because what I would like to do is at least go for one ride as the old boy sits right now, and that way I can actually appreciate the change, if there is any, and just kind of get a feel for old Morty's personality here. So that'll be fun. Thanks again. We'll tomorrow go over everything a little bit more in depth. All right, thanks again. We'll see ya.